Hello and welcome to the beginner level. In this level, we would discuss about what HTML is, the basic structure of HTML, and we would install all the necessary tools for web development. Now, HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. In HTML, we work with something called tags. Tags are basically some meaningful words which perform different functions. HTML tag format is such like some meaningful words are wrapped inside the greater than and less than signs. H1 tag for heading, P tag for paragraph writing. HTML tag comes in pairs, mean one is opening tag while the other one is closing tag. It seems like the H1 with no forward slash is the opening tag while the one with forward slash is the closing tag. And anything written inside these tags will actually be displayed inside your browser. For development, we would be using a text editor in which we would work and a browser. For text editor, we would be using Sublime Text 3, and for browser, we would be using Google Chrome. Now let me show you how to download Sublime. Head over to your browser and in the URL type Sublime Text. Go to the download link and from here choose an appropriate version according to your Windows. After downloading, set up it in your system. Okay guys, this was all for beginner level. Now in the next level, we would actually start coding and developing websites. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer all of them.